Today's video is about how are you going to edit your video, and we are going to discuss about Filmora editing software. But before we start, we are going to familiarize with their interface, then we are going to use them one by one so that you can begin sooner your editing of your different photos and different videos. Get your pen and notebook and good luck! Today we are going to discuss about how to use Filmora 9.5. On this area you can find the media, the audio, titles, transition, effects, elements, and split screen. On the other area you can find the playback window, the playback buttons, render preview, add marker, so the record or voiceover, audio mixer, the zoom to fit timeline. Zoom out slider is also available here. Zoom in slider. Preview quality and display setting, snapshot, and volume. Home screen and timeline. Let's begin to edit your video. On my laptop screen you can see my window, and you have to wait for a few seconds before it opens. So this is how it appears after opening, and you have to click the file and choose new project 16:9 widescreen. To start editing photos or video, you have to import your media files. So let's begin. Here I save my video, and I will highlight these 5 photos for the start, and then I will click enter. So I want to import all this video, and I need to click enter so that it will go direct to my media project. Once the button hit, immediately the photos or video will transfer to media project. All you have to do is drag them to the lower side of the timeline and test the play button to check. Okay, let's learn more about other functions of the Filmora 9. I have videos here to edit. You have to drag them on the timeline. We have to detach the audio to edit the sound. And this is how it appears when you detach the audio. Both video already detached the audio. Let's delete the audio. Click delete. And on this side you can see it's already deleted. Let's check the timeline and see which one to be cropped up, which we do not need. There you go. Here on this area, I think I don't need them. So I'm going to position that slider, then Control B or click that scissor and click split. Select the portion you like to crop up and delete. Let's add music to the background. To add music, you need to click the audio, and then you have to select the music. You can double click in the corner to test if you like the sound. You have to drag to add the music. Drag it down to the timeline. That below with white mark is your music background. So remember to click the space bar to play or hit the play button to test. The space bar has 2 functions, play button and stop. And let's try to put a text. By inserting title, you have to click the text. On this case, I will choose this one. Drag and drop above the video on the timeline. Let's play to test by pressing the spacebar. Hit the spacebar to play or stop. Okay, there you go. I will insert it to the left corner. Okay, let's edit the text of the template. On this middle side, you can put your title here and you can write whatever title you prefer. In this case, I'm writing Filmora 9.5 just for our video tutorial. And later I will edit the name to whatever I prefer. So I'll try to write step by step guide. I will try to move it and resize. In this case, I will use my customized text, which I already designed before. So I drag it down on the timeline. Then I will position here on top of the template. So I will edit the name because this one is more better looking than the template font or text. There you go. I'm editing it now. Then I'm changing the position, and you have to click to advance to edit and to delete, to modify. Watch here how I edit the text. Here you can drag the text to whatever your position you prefer. When you are in advanced mode or advanced button, you can do whatever design of the font. You can do animation and other stuff like changing the color, changing the background of the text. On this case, I write step-by-step guide, Filmora 9.5. I click the advanced button so that I can edit more the font. So here I am choosing the color. You can select, I choose the blue. And if you uncheck this one, will return to previous setting. And when you check, it's coming to your selected color. Scrolling down the advanced button, scroll down menu could give you to the other function. Here you have the text shadow. You can also make the blur. On the side of your font or your text, you can highlight, you can select distance, the size of the blur. Here I'm adjusting the size of the text border. Here I tried the text fill. If you check this one, you can change the color of the font. I'm choosing the darker blue. Then when you are done, click OK. Here I will adjust the sequence. When you drag it down or drag it, push it, when you push it to the right side, you can adjust the play sequence of the font. This is very good for animation technique where you like the appearance of the text. Here I will click the animation and I will select whatever action you can use. You can use the typewriter. You see, that is the action when you click the typewriter. Or when you're done, you click OK. You can select other animation as well. There are tons of it inside. Okay. So here I'm trying to adjust, reposition the font. Then start the play button just to check. Remember, to play you can hit the space bar or you can hit the play button. Click OK when you're satisfied, when you're done. Just always remember, every time you would like to edit your text, your font, you have to click the advance. Because by clicking the advance, you can control or modify all the settings, all the text, designs, and colors. Animation is very good for your video, so you have to remember to put some animation. There are lots of it inside. I will choose this boom, that is the action, and then I will click OK, and I will try to play to check which if I am satisfied. You see, in this case I'm going to use transition so that for every clips you can have a transition flow. Let's apply the transition on this video. I will choose this one and put it here, and we will test. I will position this slider so that we can test. Okay. I will use this cube as sample for transition. I love this one. I like it. There you go. You see the movement. It's rotating. This is the cube transition. This is very effective if you are using it for photos. This, on the other one, this is bar. I will use this one also to test, just to show you. Then I will play. Boom. This is very nice transition. Okay. There is a lot more transition effects inside. All you have to do is to choose which one you prefer. Normally, I use this one if I'm editing photos. It's very good to give some transition effects because the photo is not moving.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift and hope that you'll take
Thank you for watching. If you think you learned something new from this video, leave a comment and please subscribe so that you will receive notification when I post another video like this for tutorial. Thank you for watching.